Yes, people. FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. Yes, in today's video, I'll be making just a simple and easy smoothie. But as always, before we jump into the video, FadaGugs like to talk a little bit about each of the ingredients and some of the benefit that they have to offer. We're going to start with the apple. Apple, we know that apple is a popular fruit. It contains antioxidants, vitamins, dietary fiber, and a range of other nutrients. The banana is a nutritional powerhouse packed with energy-giving carbohydrate, and it is also an excellent source of potassium. The kiwi, for all who know, is a small plum-sized fruit, and it have a whole heap of fizzy on the skin. The kiwi is known for its high vitamin C content, and we all know vitamin C plays an important role in our health, like keeping our cells healthy and many more. Next, the pear. The pear is highly nutritious and contains several nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, copper, and many more. The pear, it may also promote gut health. It contains beneficial plant compound. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, and it may offer anti-cancer effect. And the pear is also linked with lowering the risk of diabetes. So that's just a brief description of all of the ingredients that I'll be using today. I'll put a more detailed one down below in the description so you can have a look on that one. So if you like the information we're getting from FadaGugs so far, please give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. So let's just go ahead and just make that drink. So let me just get my blender ready. Push the milk to the side a bit. Always remember, wash your ingredients them. Wash off all of the dirt, wash off all of the germs. That's the most important thing, for wash your ingredients them thoroughly. So what we need to do now, we need to just cut up the ingredients and drop them inside of the blender. So I'm just cutting off the top and the bottom of the pear, and then basically just slice up the pear in some fine slices and just drop them inside the blender, just like that. There you have it. The banana, just peel the banana, break it up, and drop it in the blender. With the apple now, same process. Just cut the apple, you can cut out the middle of the apple, just eat another slice, drop it in the blender. Just cut out the middle. Try and cut them less easier on the blender. And I give the blender and what it can work. The blender will last a bit longer. Just like that. Now with the kiwi, just peel the kiwi. Just give it a quick peel. Just like that. Just give it a one slice. So there we have it. And then remember, 1 cup of almond milk. Yeah, that's it. So I just wipe my hands. Just put on lid. Just push these to the side so I can bring the blender a bit forward. Just kind of clear the place. All ready to be blended now. So here you have it. Power up. So here you have it, people. Finished blend. Let's push it back. Let's put back our chopping board. There you go. Nice color. It look nice and thick. So we need to do, we just need to get a nice glass so I can show you finished product. Here we have it. That's the final product. Yeah, that's nice. It's nice. So let's put some of the ingredients then beside it now. After it smells lovely as well. Yeah. Let's put Mr. Banana right there. So there you have it, people. That's the final product. Nice and healthy smoothie. Packed with loads of energy, loads of goodness as well. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And as I always said, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And always share it with your friends, with your family. For now, FadaGugs is out.